Hey guys, today I'm testing the Amazing Grass Super Greens powder. Now I bought the 8.5 ounce size and it comes with 30 servings and it's the original flavor, so it's more like that grassy green traditional flavor, but they also have berry flavor, chocolate flavor, and pineapple flavor. A 1 serving scoop equals 8 grams. It's a blend of 14 greens, fruits, and vegetables that support your immune system. It also contains probiotics that supports your gut health, and all the ingredients are organic. It's suggested you use it in water, juice, or smoothie. Jim and I have been testing these greens for 7 days, and our favorite way to use them is in a smoothie.
We've been having it in the smoothies.
Yes.
Because I was always one that wanted the raw spinach in my smoothies.
Yes, you always ask for spinach.
So
that's true.
With the taste of it in the smoothies and even with the protein powder, I feel like I'm getting a better, I don't know, maybe it's like a better component.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, and it's not off-putting when you put it in a smoothie at all. It just blends right in, and you can tell that it's something that has good quality. So when you blend it in there and the taste of it, it's not like rancid or tasting weird. Since my main channel is a plant-based one, it was only appropriate that I did something in my wheelhouse. So one day I made protein balls. Nothing really complicated, just some almond butter, some protein powder, and a little bit of the greens. That's what it looks like. What do you think?
And besides the, oh, there it comes. Came around on the back end.
Yeah.
But it's not bad. I'm glad I could eat it early and not taste the greens.
Right.
So I didn't notice it, but I think, what is the...
protein powder?
Yeah. Because
it's a chocolate protein powder that I picked up that I'll share on another video, but it's just a natural chocolate protein powder. Yeah. And they have peanut butter in it.
Okay.
I can't really tell that the greens are in it though.
No, I think on the back end you'll catch it.
Oh, maybe I'm just immune to it now.
But I think that's the good thing about the combo of the chocolate peanut butter.
Mm-hmm.
Adding it with the greens, you really don't know it up front.
Can't tell. Good way, another fun snack to get your greens in. So let me know in the comments if you guys want me to share this recipe for these energy bars. It's really good though, huh? It's like decadent, so let me know. Eventually, we end up taking it the way most people take it who are rushed for time and just want the benefits. So we're gonna try it with water today for the first time, you know, just the way it was intended to drink. So let's see. Let's give it a good stir. It is very bright. It's very green.
Looks like algae in a glass.
All right. Whew.
It smells very, very, very grassy.
Yes, it smells like grass, that's for sure. Well, it's called the Amazing Grass. I mean, it's not bad. Well, it's not super sweet. It has a little hint of sweetness in it, right? If you are health conscious, you'll definitely like it. Trying to get health conscious for sure. It's not awful, right?
I think it's the smell that's really...
the one you want?
I mean, it's not really bad strong.
Right.
But for me, I guess I'm sensitive to the smell of something super healthy because I can definitely tell this is loaded with
health in the glass.
Spirulina and stuff.
Yeah.
I can smell that really good.
Yeah. I mean, it's not bad for me because I don't mind drinking or eating veggies and greens. I love broccoli. So I can tell that it has a hint of mintiness in it. Can you tell that? To me, I can tell. It smells like almost when you get those green shots at in a health spa, you know. Okay, so here's the deal. We tried it for 7 days. I definitely did it 7 days straight, and I snuck it in his stuff. 7 days that you didn't know about.
Well, I mean, either way, we've been taking it for 7 days because we already told me we were going to take it for 7 days.
So we have tried it for 7 days. For me, on the first or second day, I can tell that my digestion had changed. It actually helped me go to the potty more.
You go a lot.
Yes.
We'll just say that you...
TMI?
No,
I mean, a lot?
No, I'm just saying if you are not used to eating your green vegetables, you will know that you've had your green vegetables.
Well, yes.
If you've taken this.
Yes, absolutely. And for me, the one thing that I really like about this product is that I had a lot of bloating going on for several months, and it was really bothering my gut. So I noticed that once I started drinking this, though, my bloating has gone down significantly.
Right.
Like I don't have that extra heavy bloat, like how you're really tight. It really has helped with that. I don't know if it's because it helps you eliminate, but nonetheless, it definitely works for that. So I would give it a plus on the digestion. So it does help your digestion system.
So, flavor-wise or scent and flavor-wise, I don't feel like there's any chance that there's something artificial in this.
Oh.
It just seems like
no, it's so pure green.
It's overpoweringly
it's green.
Natural smell.
Yeah.
For the green leafy vegetables or the green chlorophyll and spirulina veggies.
Yeah.
It's in there. You cannot miss that.
Yeah. It settles a little bit, so you'll have to stir it up a bit. But it's not bad at all. I don't think it's bad. I think it's more refreshing. When
obviously it's not too bad
because Drake is already.
This is like.
That's good.
I'm not holding my nose to drink it, but at the same time, it might hit you first, like if you're not used to
the taste of green.
Yeah.
So yeah. Like if you're not used to eating, say, raw spinach.
Oh, right.
Right. Then you probably would have to mix this with something else. I just take it like a champ because that's who I am. So the real question is it worth it? I paid $24.99 for 30 servings. And when you think about the amount of greens that you have to buy to sit in the refrigerator and just wilt, compared to the concentrated, I definitely would choose the concentrated. You're getting your greens in without the grocery run or the waste. Now, I want to be clear. These greens are not here to replace fresh fruit or vegetables. They're just an add-on. A little insurance for days when you don't hit your greens. And let's be honest, that's most days for most of us. So does it earn the Divine Chef tested seal of approval? Yes. Definitely passed the test.
Yes.
It's easy, it's convenient, and it fits right into our lifestyle. And I would absolutely buy it again. I'll drop the Amazon link in the description below. And full disclosure, it's an affiliate link. So it's the easy way to support the channel if you grab one. And here's where you come in. If you buy it, come back and let me know what you thought. And drop a comment, let me know what you want me to test next. Your suggestions are what shapes all the reviews. And if you want my protein bar recipe, let me know in a comment and I'll put it in the community tab for you. Thank you for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.